Hello and welcome to the product demonstration of WooCommerce Connector powered by Ksolves. We will see all the fundamental features of the WooCommerce Connector and how to install it. Activating the instance. In the previous session, we have seen how to create an instance on WooCommerce. Now, let's find out how to activate the particular instance. First, we will fill in some mandatory information over here. Like in this Journal Information tab, we will fill the warehouse information, the main currency information. And next, we will click on the Order Information tab. We will fill in the sales team, salesperson, or whatever the option you want. As we see, the order prefix is already written over here. However, if you wish to rename it, you can do that as well. I have chosen the preferred address of the customer to be as the billing address. Next, we will click on the stock information and choose any of the relevant options from here. So these are the mandatory fields we need to fill before we activate an instance. Once all this is done, click on the Save button over here and then hit the Activate Instance button right after that. You will see a pop-up menu which says Activated successfully. After we close the pop-up, you will see that the yellow banner has now turned into green and says it's activated. On the top left corner, now you can see an option which says Deactivate Instance. You can use this option in case you don't want to continue with a particular store that you created. Now if you go back to the dashboard, you will see that the count of the instance which we just created has been added over here. The tabs below this will show all the statistics for products, variants, categories, or anything that we sync either from the WooCommerce or from Odoo. So this will help you to check the count of the products or the orders that you sync either from WooCommerce to Odoo or from Odoo to WooCommerce. So that's how we activate an instance.